Quarterback. A quarterback is the player in American football who directs the game, throws the ball, or decides to run with it. The quarterback threw the ball to the receiver during the football game. Mouse. A small animal with fur, a pointed nose, and a long tail. It is also a device used to control a computer by moving it around on a surface and clicking its buttons. The mouse quickly ran across the kitchen floor when it saw a piece of cheese. Rope. A rope is a long, thick cord made by twisting together strands of material such as hemp, cotton, or nylon, used for tying, pulling, or lifting things. The boy used a rope to tie his toys together. Concrete. Concrete is a hard, solid material often used in building construction, made by mixing cement, sand, small stones, and water. The sidewalk is made of concrete, which is a hard material used for building. Prescription. A prescription is a written order from a doctor that allows you to get medicine. After visiting the doctor, Maria received a prescription for her medication.